Alright, y'all, it's your boy Rockstar Trey back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I got a 2-strand twist tutorial for y'all. This time, we do not have our hair blow dried. So our twist not gonna be as long. Y'all watched my first video. When I was done, my twist was hanging like, they was all hanging like right here. Right, yeah, right here. This time, honestly, I haven't twisted my hair like this in like a year, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but so we can do it right now though. And I'm either gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie. Should be smelling good, but yeah, we just got done washing and conditioning our hair. I tried to detangle as best as I can. That shit is hard. I want to try this out, but that's putting too much in my hair. I don't feel like doing all that right now. So we just gonna put the curling enhancing smoothie, Shea Moisture. In our shit. Ooh, I don't know what that was. So when I do this, I'm gonna start off from the front this time. So everything in the back. It's really hard to know what the front of my head is, though. I ain't got no haircut, y'all, so don't even. I'll never have a haircut. Shoot. So yeah, we're gonna start on the front first. This weak ass. Alright. So I like to make my twist small. I don't like making it big, but like, shoot. This is basically how I twist my hips. So this is with no help. Usually I'll have my mama blow dry it, but it's 11 o'clock on a Monday, Sundays, Tuesday, Wednesday. So ain't nobody can do all that. So what I do, I just grab some hair. This is a lot of hair, dang. It's a lot. Grab the hair. Just grab some hair. I don't really part. It looked like I parted it, but I just grabbed the hair, honestly. Grab some hair. Grab your product. You can do this with your hair like damp. Like I said earlier, I just got out the shower, I just conditioned and shampoo my hair. So just take some product, make sure you put enough, you know what I'm saying? You want your hair moisturized. You put it all through your hair, just like this. Make sure it gets all through. Just like that. Need to clip my ends. So make sure you get all through. I'm saying, push that back. It's a pretty big part. Alright. Push that back. Split this thing down the middle, you feel me? Split that thing down the middle. Make it even. Like this. That is not even. Alright, hold on. Get your split that thing down the middle, you feel me? Damn, I breathing hard. Split down the middle, just like this. Take them, cross it, pull tight. Take it, cross it, pull tight. Take it, cross it, pull tight. Just keep doing that all the way down. Bro, look at my forehead, son. Bro, these joints gonna be so shrinky, bro. once you get to the end, me personally, I just take my ends. Let's just do this. Nothing really happens, but I still just do that though. Still just do that, just curl your ends. Or you can put some gel and curl it. Or take whatever product that you got. And just curl it around your finger like that. Whatever. This is what the first one look like. Hopefully this don't shrink up too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head. And I'm gonna show y'all how it turn out. Alright y'all, we just finished the front side of on my right side of my hair. So now we gonna do the back. I'm gonna show y'all when the back is done. Alright, on my last 2 strand twist video, y'all was asking me how I did the back. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I did the back. So basically, I never know what my back look like. I'm being honest, I just take some hair. You feel me? Take some hair. And then, yeah, so take some hair. Just put your product in there. Then, you know what I'm saying, me, I gotta comb it out. So yeah, you just take your hair. I just put it here in my hand and start twisting in the back, cause I do not got time to just get 2 mirrors or whatever. I don't got time for that. So yeah, same thing as the front, put it down the middle, start twisting.
Same thing, man. It's not hard. You just can't worry about being perfect. I don't care about being perfect. It's really good. Keep twisting, keep twisting.
Same thing as the front, man. Same thing as the front. Curl the ends. Alright, y'all, we just finished the right side of my head. This is what it look like. I don't know how the back look, cause I can't see the back. This took me 2 hours. Had like little breaks, but it was like 2-minute breaks. It took me 2 hours to do this. I still gotta do the whole other side of my head. I'm getting dreads. Alright, y'all, this is my last twist, man. I'm for sure getting dreads though. Final product. Yeah, you already know what I'm saying. Just like the last video. Gotta rag it up, you feel me? Rag it up before y'all go to sleep. Just like always, man. But yeah, just make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, make sure y'all comment. And if you made it to the end of the video this far, let me know if I should get dreads, man. Just say yes or no in the comments, or just like, yeah, you should get dreads, or you know what I'm saying? Just have a conversation, you know what I'm saying? I respond to all comments, I like all comments, so yeah. Appreciate all the love and support, y'all. We out.
Pass me the ice for my cup and my wrist too. It ain't even Friday, niggas still rocking ice cubes.